Hey James, how are you?
Oh, hey Greg, what's going on?
Hey, mind if I sit next to you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Cool. Oh, what a day. Man, my wife made the best garlic pizza yesterday. It was delicious. James? Oh, okay. Oh, hey Levi, how are you?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing great.
Heard you talking about garlic pizza.
Oh, yeah, it was wonderful.
Was it?
Yeah, it was last night. It was terrific. Oh my God, it was so good.
Oh, hold up.
Yeah, what's up? Oh, got a call?
I gotta take that.
Oh.
Hi, hello, yes, I'm talking on the phone.
Huh.
What's up everyone, I'm James with the Future Maker Lab. Our mission is to improve awareness of technical careers and have fun while doing it. One of the ways we do that is with our how-to series. And that brings us to today's project. So, who here uses toothpaste? Absolutely everyone. We use it to prevent bad breath and to just maintain good dental health overall. Now here's the thing, if you buy like name brand toothpaste, it can get expensive after a while. So, one solution, you can make your own. Big brands, they throw in a ton of ingredients, like some of them are synthetic and stuff like that. We're gonna keep it simple. We're only gonna have about 4 ingredients. Those 4 ingredients are going to be baking soda, natural salt, essential peppermint oil, and distilled water. Not only can you make toothpaste for yourself, you can also make it and give it to your friends and family. Now, if you want to take it to the next level with helping people with their dental hygiene, consider becoming a dental assistant. They actually make around $15 to $20 an hour starting out, which isn't bad at all. But even if you're not a trained dental professional, we can still get in on the fun by making some toothpaste right here. All right, so step 1, we're gonna start off with America's most versatile ingredient, baking soda. We're gonna get about a tablespoon of that. Okay, that's about right. Don't gotta be too exact. Step 2, we're gonna use a Himalayan pink salt. Get about a tablespoon of that. I'm just gonna shake it up. Now, so the salt, the reason we're using that, that's gonna give it some texture that would be absent otherwise. So yeah, let's go ahead and dump that in there. Then, so we got our bowl. You're gonna take your redneck pestle. Go ahead and grind it up, okay? So just press down, move it in a circular motion. Oh yeah, that's a good sound right there. That's what you want to hear. Basically, we want this into a nice fine powder. Okay, so once you got that fine powder, you see it's nice and powdery. Now, what does everybody say when they think about toothpaste? They say, I want my breath to be minty fresh. So why don't we go ahead, add in some peppermint. You're only gonna do about 3 drops. This is essential peppermint oil. Let's go. 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops. Okay. Then we're also gonna check in some water. So out of this gallon of distilled water, we're gonna need about 3 drops. Now with the water, you're gonna start off with, like, there's 1, there's 2, 3. Feel free to add more as needed. You just wanna get a good pasty consistency. So as we mix it up, there, you can see it's starting to get a little bit darker. That means it's starting to absorb that water. Start to stick to itself, okay? So that ain't looking too bad. I think we are gonna need a little bit more water. So go ahead and just grab your water supply, put a little bit more in there. Make sure you go in kind of small increments. You don't want to get too watery. Oh, yes. Okay, so now you see when I'm pushing it in right now, it's not like flaking apart. It's not cracking at the edges. Well, maybe a tiny bit, but for the most part, it's starting to become just one nice mush. And make sure the water gets evenly distributed. Make sure there's no dry flecks in the bottom. I think that is looking mighty fine. The earliest toothpaste that historians are aware of was actually back in ancient Egypt. They used a recipe that was pretty close to ours. For our recipe, we used natural salt, essential peppermint oil, baking soda, and distilled water. The Egyptians used crushed rock salt, mint, pepper, and iris flowers. Both recipes use salt for the abrasiveness that gives it that really strong cleaning power. And both recipes use mint for that fresh breath smell. Now, our knowledge of health has expanded since ancient times, so we substituted the iris flowers for the wonderful ingredient that is baking soda. All right, now back to our video. I'm gonna take this toothpaste, I'm gonna scoop it into this little plastic baggie so I can give it as a gift to one of my coworkers. So, there we go. And don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. We're going to test it out ourselves. All right, remember, you want about, okay, there we go. You want about a pea size for when you're brushing your teeth. So just go ahead. Minty fresh.
Yeah, oh, hey, James, come on in. What can I do for you today?
Well, I actually have a little gift for you, Greg.
Yes.
So here's some homemade toothpaste I made, and here's a toothbrush.
Okay. Why?
Oh, some guys and I were talking around the office, and we really wanted you to have it.
Okay. Thank you, I think.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a good day. So that was how to make homemade toothpaste. Hopefully you had fun and learned a little something along the way. If you are interested in being a dental assistant, keep an eye out for programs in your area. As a dental assistant, you'll be doing a lot of good and you'll go far beyond toothpaste. Now, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And from all of us here at Future Maker, have a wonderful day.